So here's Penny's little 5-day-old babies. And Jessica and I are going to check and see if some of them are Bluetick. If we can tell. Sometimes it takes over a week for us to see the ticking, but oh, that's a big yawn. Oh, they're so small. But their skin gets darker, so then it's easier to tell. So I'm going to put this on pause and we'll check some babies.
That's so adorable. Look at
Oh, there's Mommy. Hey, Penny.
Hey, Penny. Oh, you got the most adorable little puppies. Yes, you do. Oh, look at this guy. He's pushing himself away.
I don't know. It's hard to tell right now if they're going to be... Hello there, Mama. Aren't you sweet? I don't have any babies up here. Just camera stuff.
They're so cute.
So we'll have to go and check Jenny's babies and see what they're doing. Different daddy.
They're only 5 days old, but they're still really, really, really small.
They're very tiny.
I've never seen puppies this small. Look at their adorable little paws. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Can I pick him up? Can I pick him up?
Sure you can.
Let's see. Oh, and you're a girl. Yes, you're so cute. Their eyes are all closed still.
Yep, they won't open until they're almost 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. It's quite a while. Quite a ways away. So, their mother has to protect them until then?
Oh, she protects them for quite some time. Once their little eyes open, then they start to get a little bit more mobile. And
then